Thank you for purchasing the AMPHIBX Waterproof Case for smartphones. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about your new case. Note, before using the AMPHIBX case and before putting a phone inside of it, always inspect the welded seams around its edges and test the case for waterproofness by submerging it in water for 30 minutes. To open the lid to the case, pull back the spring-loaded safety tab on the left side of the latch. As you're holding back this tab, lift the top of the two-piece latch and pull it downward toward the front of the case. The lid should open easily. Plug the attached cord into the audio jack on your phone, or use the provided adapter, and slide your phone into the case. Before closing the lid, inspect the seal at the top of the case. It should be undamaged and properly seated in its channel. Close the lid slowly and ensure the cord is tucked into the case and not pinched by the lid. Lower the latch. Hold the lower part of the latch in place against the case while pressing the upper part of the latch into place. The lower latch must catch this raised plastic tab on the front of the case. As you press the latch upward, pull back the safety tab. The upper latch will gently snap into place. Release the safety tab to secure the latch in its original locked position. Plug your waterproof headphones into the headphone jack. The AMPHIBX can be used with the included armband or with an optional waistband. To attach the armband, insert the end with the snaps through one of the D-rings and snap it closed. This end will remain attached to the case. Pull the other end of the strap through the D-ring on the opposite side of the case. Fold it back and press it to close. If you're using the AMPHIBX case with Bluetooth headphones, you can replace the internal cord and audio jack with the included solid cap. To do this, remove the retaining clip on the underside of the lid. This clip is located at the base of the cord where it enters the lid. Use a pen or small screwdriver to pry the clip from the base of the headphone boot. Lift the boot and the cord out of the case. Insert the Bluetooth boot cap and replace the clip by pushing its open end around the base of the Bluetooth cap until it snaps into place.